It is bomb.
Like a boss and I be thinking Jesus fake is trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah.
Hey y'all, back again with another wig review. Every time you see me on camera like this with this wig cap, you already know what it is. Today's wig review is going to be an affordable wig. Basically, I wanted an everyday synthetic wig that I could wear without breaking the bank. And today I chose to do the Outre melted hairline wig in the style Divine. This is the stock card. And basically, it claims to have a redesigned comfort fit for the ear contour. It's supposed to have a frontal effect hairline. It says no plucking required. Says has baby hairs included and a pre-attached wide elastic band and HD transparent lace. We're gonna hop right into this tutorial and we're gonna see if all of the things that it claims to have is true. So I've already took it out the paper, but I still have it in the box. Comes with your standard contents, the box, the paper that they have in it, cardboard, and I have no idea what this is. I'm assuming whoever was making it, they forgot because it still has thread attached. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off. And she is a left part wig. This is what the lace looks like. It does look HD because it's already blending in with my skin, so I do like that. I know sometimes wigs tend to be ashy looking, and so far so good. It doesn't look ashy, or it doesn't look like it's going to give me that gray cast. And inside of it, it does have two combs in the top, and it has the adjustable strap that each wig typically has. It has a comb in the back, and I love the fact that it has this elastic band, so if you wanted this to be glueless, you wouldn't actually have to wear it. You wouldn't have to glue it down. Me personally, I'm going to have this on for the weekend, so I am going to glue my wig down, so I don't have to deal with it coming up or anything like that. So I've already applied my cap, and I basically just put it on my hairline, above my hairline, and I used Ghost Bond. And I'm just going to go ahead and hop right into this. So I just went ahead and cut the cap off, and now that I have the cap cut off, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Trailblazer. I'm just going to apply that up here. And now that I've applied the bronzer all across the front of my hairline, mainly right here because it is a left part, then I'm just going to go in with the Ghost Bond again. And I'm going to apply that to my hairline. So basically, I just wait for the Ghost Bond to turn clear or almost clear, and then I'm just going to plop the wig on over top of that. And as you can see, it's already starting to get clear. So I'm going to just go ahead and pop the wig on. And once I apply the wig, I'm going to pull it a little bit further than my hairline so that it can sit above it. Pull the lace. I don't know how to explain it. I'm going to pull the lace down above my hairline. And I'm actually just going to clip it back so that I can see exactly what I'm doing. And then I'm going to pull it right at the lace. And it actually looks pretty good already. Like, I don't know if you can see the hairline. But I do like it so far. So far, this is what it's looking like. I actually cut the lace too short over here, but I'm going to go in and fix that in a minute. It's giving like a little white cast, but so far it does give scalp vibes. It looks really good. The parting area looks good. And I feel like once I go in and do the baby hair and fix this area, I think everything will be really cute. So I will come back after I get that done. Now that I got the baby hairs all set, I'm just going to basically put this bandana on. And I'm going to let the lace melt into my skin. And I'm going to come back after that's done. So I'm back. I'm just going to remove the scarf now. And I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. I'm hoping that I kept it on long enough. It's only been about 5, maybe 10 minutes. We're going to see exactly... Ooh. This is what it looks like. I actually think it looks really, really well. The part is a little bit light, so I am going to go in on the part with the same Morphe Glamour bronzer that I've been using. I'm just going to define my part. I feel as if I should have kept the bandana on for a little bit longer, but we're here now, so what can you do? And this is the side that I actually cut too short, but it's okay, because it's going to be covered up anyways. So y'all, this is the wig. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb. Not getting any shedding, but I am getting a little bit of tangling. But it is a synthetic wig, so you really can't expect that much from it. But for $30, $40, I might have paid $40 for this. I think this wig looks bomb. Like, so tell me what you think. I actually like this wig. I like it. I really like this wig. I would recommend getting it. It is bomb. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, thumbs up, comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the uploads that I produce. And I hope to see you in the next video.